Hi guys, this is print number 2, or at least this is print number 2, that's print number 1. I've just spent several hours carefully filing this down, sanding it and trying to get it to balance. The original one was terribly tail heavy, probably because I put a couple of metal pins in it to join the sides together, or at least that certainly didn't help. This one I just glued straight together and it was still terribly tail heavy. So I've spent ages filing away at the tail. The tail is slightly smaller than that one. Still didn't reduce it enough in weight, so I then cut feathers into it. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but filed feather shapes in there to make it still look right, even though I was taking more weight off it. Still tail heavy. Trimmed away little bits of the wing where there was some rough print anyway, so that tidied that up. Still tail heavy. So, can you guess what I did to get it to balance? I haven't added any weights at all. We wait for it to come round to about there somewhere, and then we look at the original one, see if you can spot the difference. I'll zoom in a bit. The only way I could get it to balance was to shorten the beak quite significantly. That then moved the balance point further back, so it would balance without moving the centre of gravity much further forwards. That was a real pain. I thought it was going to be a nice, easy print it off and it would work, and it didn't. So that's what I ended up doing. So by trimming the beak back, I was able to change the balance point, and now, as you can see, it balances. So I spent a lot of time trying to trim the tail down, so I thought that might be a trick that would work. I don't know if you can see the difference there. I mean, it's not a great deal that I've taken off, but probably 2 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch, something like that. And so I've cut feather shapes into it so it looks right, even though that's just a method of trying to get less weight on the tail. So yeah, we got there in the end. That'll do. Links in the video description if you want to print one off yourself. Download it from Thingiverse and have a go. The front sections of the wing you have to print solid or 100% infill, and the back of it as thin as possible. And I still had to trim it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.